Hello everyone, today we are unboxing PRYME's Bluetooth speaker mic BTH-600. And this is BTH-600 for Zello with EPTT. And here is the charging cable and the USB power adapter. And now we are going to show you how to pair it with iPhone. The iPhone is already installed with Zello. So now we press the pairing button on BTH-600 until the blue and red LEDs flashing. Okay, now we go to iPhone setting on Bluetooth. And you can see this BTH-PTT, we pairing it. Okay, it's connected. Now we go to Zello app. We go to options and push to talk buttons. And we add a new device. And you can see PTTZ. Now we link it. Okay, it's connected. Now we go to Echo and test it. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Okay, now we test in sleep mode. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Okay, you can hear the audio is loud and clear. And you can buy this from the Amazon. You can check our Amazon link below. Thank you for your watching.